One day we're gonna be famous and get paid from this, and she'll say, "Thank God they were doing that." Not the balayage, the balayage. Oh, 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 oh.
That's the balayage.
What's going on? Upside down, boy, you turned me inside out and round, upside down. So you too. How about you? Hey y'all, welcome to Vanna Reels. It's her channel, not mine. But you should like, follow, and subscribe right down there at the bottom. Follow my sister. Thank you.
I need to grab the stock card off the bag.
Do you? Oh yeah, I'm about to do a wig review. She has on a wig, I don't. But you can find a wig similar to this, and I can give you a review of my real hair. Let me know. But this looks really good.
Y'all should see our mom. Hey guys, welcome back to Vanna Reels. I have a special guest with me here today. This is Melanie. This is my sister. Y'all probably hear me talk about her all the time. She is going to do this lovely wig review with me. You probably already saw my unboxing video on this unit. I'm wearing the butter lace. Oh, look at that string. It's going to fling. I have on the butter lace unit 21. The color I have it in, I believe this is, I'm not going to say it again because I butchered it on the first one. I'm going to put it in the corner so you can see it. But we wore this wig for, look at me, losing my mind. I wore this wig for our family photo shoots. We take our Christmas pictures during the Thanksgiving holiday. So this is my first time wearing this unit. I cut the lace off and then I just bobby pinned the sides, no gluing. And then I placed my foundation on the inside of the wig to kind of match the parting. You can still see a little bit of the line of demarcation, but that's okay. For review purposes, I really love the way this wig falls on the face. I have a very round face and it just falls very lovely. I would say for length-wise, I think this is about, what would you say, like a good 20, 22?
Yeah, it's definitely like 22.
You think so? Yeah.
22 or 24.
Yeah, and I'm pretty tall. Well, I think I'm tall.
She's not that tall, y'all. She's like 5'7".
You know what's funny? The doctor told me that I'm 5'6", and all this time I've been telling people I was 5'8".
What?
Yeah.
Why do you think you're 5'8"?
I don't know. But the doctor told me that I'm 5'6", and so that, you know, those dreams were crushed. I'm not a stallion, but you know, hey, we can all live on.
Do you have magnes?
Woo! It's always your own family. But yes, this is a pre-plucked wig. So as you can tell, this butter lace, y'all, let me tell y'all, I love me some butter lace. I bought 5, 2.
Girl, you got everyone.
No, 5 and 2, and then this one.
And anytime I wear a wig, I wear butter lace. And
y'all probably have already seen my wig on unit 2 because I bought that in the ginger color, and then I bought it in a 2 over and over again because I naturally wear color 2 wigs. So whenever I find a wig I like, I always buy it in a 2, which I saw in the unboxing. I bought this one in a 2, and I wear that one to work. It's just easier for me to not have to talk about my hair. So I just wear a neutral or natural color.
Oh, Lord. So that's you need to do a video about work hair because I don't believe in that. This is the hair I wear to work.
Well, that's your natural hair.
I will wear this hair, pink hair, whatever hair. They're going to have to accept me for who I am.
Well, here's the thing. I just don't like talking about my hair all the time. But this is natural enough. Now that I've like explored colors more, like color wigs,
yeah,
I feel like I'm more comfortable wearing this. But just for like, I wanted to wear this for our photo shoot first. I didn't want to mess it up. Because you know with synthetic wigs, you can't be doing too much in them because they're not a human hair wig.
Exactly.
So that's the one thing you have to understand, that you have to be realistic about how many times you can wear it. But yes, this wig, I would definitely say, definitely purchase this. They do a great job with the coloring. I'm not going to butcher and say the color again because I always mispronounce it.
Is it Balayage?
Honestly, it's either.
Let me see.
I think it's
Balayage.
I think it is Balayage. But y'all tell us in the comments.
Write in the comments and let us know because we both just made it up. But you know how black people are. We good at making something sound even sexier than what it actually is. So, Balayage.
Is that what it is? Y'all see, look, it ain't just me. We come. Look at us, both of us. You can tell we come from the same house. We're crazy. We're silly. We're so silly. But yes, you guys, I just wanted to do a quick review on this. There is I had a bit of a shedding in my color too, but that's because I like to brush the curls out. So it was like that minimal shedding that is expected. Not a lot of shedding. The curls do last as you brush them out, just because when you first get them, they come in like these barrel curls. Let me see if I can focus back a little bit. But they come in like these barrel curls, and I just don't really like that look. So you kind of want to brush them out. Oh, not the lighting going out.
Right. What happened?
I don't know. It's so weird when it does that. But yes, so when, I think it's because it was trying to focus. Yep, it's trying to focus on one item. That's what it is.
Not the Balayage.
The Balayage.
Oh, 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 oh.
That's the Balayage. What's that? That's
sorry.
the Balayage.
I can't take that serious.
That's the Balayage. Okay. But anyway, guys, this is a great wig. I would definitely say invest in this. I bought mine off of Hair to Beauty, which I think I mentioned in the unboxing video as well. But Hair to Beauty, I purchased it on sale. I got it for about $32, $34.
Yes.
Great investment, because I think the list price for it is like $60. Definitely invest in a butter lace wig if you haven't already. They are very beginner friendly wigs, so I would suggest you purchasing one, either if they're starting out with this one in a neutral color or what have you. They have it in 1B, 2, 1, I think that's full black, jet black is 1. Yeah, you could get it in neutral colors also, but they also have these fun colors you can work with. And I always suggest to people, if you don't want to color your real hair, buy a color wig, because you can just take it off. Like, that's why I always have on a color wig, because I don't have to dye my real hair. But you know, this is the review I have for you guys. Quick and easy and simple. I don't really feel like there's much to the install unless you would like to glue this down. But really, once you put that foundation in, you're pretty good to go. And you set your, either if you want to use the combs in the back or the adjustable straps, you can set it so it sits on your head. I like to put in bobby pins on my two, like at the bottom, not the bottom, at the top of my ear, because it just makes me feel like the wig is secure for me. But you don't have to do that. It'll sit on your head if you have a wig grip or wig cap on. And I'm wearing a neutral wig cap under this, and I still like to add foundation. But yes, definitely a wig you need to purchase. And thank you for joining us today. And then thank you for having our special guest with us today.
Thanks for inviting me, y'all. And shop the Glam Stash.
Her beautiful hair is not
Follow
available,
the
because that's natural.
Yeah, sorry, y'all.
That's
I'm
all
sure
her.
I'm sure she could find something that looks similar. So
You know what? There are some pretty nice natural wigs coming out, and I will probably have one soon, because they are starting to put natural baby hairs on them, and I might have to invest in one because they are looking really real. So I might have to get one. She's right about that. So stay tuned for that. But yes, thank you for joining us again for another video, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and always holler at me, okay?
Carisha, please.
Carisha, please. Oh, that didn't
Wait,
cut
it's still
off.
recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Carisha, please.
I think the last words you would like to say.
Yes.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman.